Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I think we officially have confirmation that this one is just now stuck in a good old-fashioned sideways channel pattern, and it's truly just now going to be a wait-and-see type situation, because even with the bullishness this morning that occurred with the gap up, I mean, price closed there, opened up right there, hence what is known as a gap up for those of you that are maybe new. The pointer being that was a strong move. Gap ups are always good, but even a gap up still didn't produce anything, and the price just fell back downwards. Whereas in the past, if this wasn't really a true sideways channel pattern, that gap up would have led to a little consolidation, and then, probably continuation to the upside in a big way. Something like this. Right there, you notice gap up, and then boom. Right there, gap up, and then boom. And even right there, a little gap up and then continued on. So the gap up here just didn't produce anything at all. The price just went back downwards. Now, I'm not saying any of this in a bearish sense. I'm just saying it in the sense of this is why I would now say that we definitely have just that much more confirmation that, MARA here is, definitely in now just a sideways channel pattern. So it truly is just a wait and see type situation. And I'll probably be taking a break from doing any videos on it until something really happens. And what do I mean by until something happens? Well, until either the bulls win out and push to the upside of the pattern, or until the bears went out by pushing to the downside of the pattern. But until then, there's really not a whole lot that I can say other than the fact of, all right, well, yeah, the price is still stuck in between this sideways channel pattern. So, I mean, to really just summarize things very quickly, MARA, 30-minute sideways channel pattern. You do still have to give the advantage to the bulls because this is all occurring in an overall, uptrend here. So yes, this is a sideways channel pattern, but it's technically a bullish sideways channel pattern because it's happening within an uptrend. But that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to move upwards or anything like that. But yeah, we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.